Hello everyone in a class of ratio and proportion. Let us understand some more concepts by an example. Example 1. If a vessel containing 100 liters of milk, if 10 liters is extracted from it and 10 liters of water is added, then this process is repeated one more time, then what will be the amount of milk and water in the jar? Solution. Firstly, we have 100 liters of milk and 10 liters of milk is extracted, then we will have 90 liters of the milk and then plus 10 liters of water, then we will have 100 liters solution of milk and water. Now we have 100 liter solution of milk and water, and this solution will be in form of 90 liters milk and 10 liters water. According to question, this process is repeated one more time, hence minus 10 liters of solution, but this 10 liters will be extracted in a ratio of milk and water present in solution, hence minus 9 liter minus 1 liter from milk and water respectively. We will have now 10 liters of water is added in solution. So we have increase in ratio of water only. So we have plus 10 liters of water. Hence finally we have that 81 and 19. And what is this 81 and 19? Hence we will have finally 81 ratio 19 be the final ratio of milk and water in jar. But this is a ratio, that is 81 ratio 19. We are to find amount of milk and water in the jar. Hence to find amount we need to find the value of 1 ratio. Value of 1 ratio is initial value of milk in jar in liters upon final ratio of milk and water in jar. But final ratio of milk and water in jar is 81 plus 19, which is equal to 100. Therefore 1 ratio is equal to 100L upon 100, which is 1L. Now multiply 1L in a ratio to find amount of milk and water in jar in liters. Hence we have 1L multiplied by 81 ratio 19. Hence we have 81 liters of milk in jar and 19 liters of water in jar. But above process is time consuming. We have short trick to find the answer quickly. According to question, we are given that initially we have 100 liters of milk and 10 liters of milk is extracted, then there will be 90 liters of milk in a jar, and each time we are adding only 10 liters of water, so there is reduce in a ratio of milk, and that reduce will be in form of 10 ratio 9. Now we have done this process 2 times and according to question. Then you need to just square the ratio. The ratio will be 10 square ratio 9 square, and that is 100 ratio 81. But the ratio is not our answer, that is 100 ratio 81. This ratio represents the initial and final condition of milk in jar. Hence, ratio of milk and water in jar will be final ratio of milk in jar ratio to initial ratio of milk in jar minus final ratio of milk in jar. That is 81 ratio 100 minus 81, which is equal to 81 ratio 19. But this is a ratio and we are to find the amount of milk and water in jar. That we have discussed already how to find it. Hence we have 81 liters of milk in jar and 19 liters of water in jar.